We're looking at questions that relate to the acids, bases, and salts topic from the New York State Chemistry Regents exam. So let's start with questions 1 and 2. For questions 1 and 2, we have this chart, and let's take a look. In number 1, complete the table in your answer booklet by writing the color of thymol blue in NaCl-AQ and NaOH-AQ. Alright, so we have this information, pH is 7 and pH 12. Okay, if we take a look at the reference tables, we're looking for thymol blue, and we're looking for pH 7 and pH 12. For 7, it's going to be on this side, so it's going to be yellow. That's for NaCl. And 12 is on this side, and that is going to be blue, and that's for my NaOH. Okay, take a look at question 2. It says, state how many times greater the hydronium ion concentration in the HCl is than the hydronium ion concentration in what's acetic acid, or the HC2H3O2. Alright, so let me erase this so we can take a look. Okay, the only difference between the HCl and the HC2H3O2 pH is 1. For every pH number, it increases the hydrogen ion, which is also the hydronium ion concentration, increases or decreases by a factor of 10. So HCl, again, the pH is 2. HC2H3O2, the pH is 3. That is that the HCl is 10 times greater in hydronium ion concentration than the acetic acid. Okay, let's move on to question 3. It says, determine the volume of 2 molar HCl solution required to completely neutralize 20 milliliters of 1 molar. Okay, this is the only math problem when it comes to acid-base chemistry. So we need the titration equation. So let's take a look. The titration equation is on reference table T. So if we go ahead and take a look over here, we go down, here it is. Molarity of the acid times the volume of the acid is equal to the molarity of the base times the volume of the base. So always write the equation out, because you can plug everything in then, and you won't make a mistake. Oh, that's just like I did. Okay, so HCl is my acid. I'd also write that above, and NaOH is my base. And we have 2 molar HCl. We're looking for the volume. That's my X. On the other side, I have 1 molar, and my volume is 20. So, of course, I have 20 divided by 2, so the answer is 10 milliliters. Alright, let's take a look at questions 4 and 5. For questions 4 and 5, we have these couple of statements or sentences here. Question 4, it says, write the name of the positive ion in the sample. And of course, we're dealing with nitric acid. H3O plus is the hydronium ion, and that is also on the reference table. So let's take a look. We have to check out reference table E for this. You don't want to make any mistakes. Here it is, and there. Sorry about that. Let's do this. It is here, hydronium. Make sure you spell it correctly. Alright, let's move on. For question 5, it's asking the color of methyl orange after it's added to the sample. Okay, so we need the reference tables again. We're dealing with methyl orange and a pH of 1. So I go to reference table N. Let's get rid of this so we can see. Methyl orange. Right? And we're dealing with a pH of 1 we're on this side, so of course the color is red. Alright, let's take a look at the rest of the questions in the next video.